Get ready to tackle hydroponic maintenance problems head-on. We're here to help you troubleshoot and conquer common issues in your hydroponic system. Let's dive into the world of problem solving. 1. Water woes. Adjust water levels for plant happiness. 2. pH perplexities. Balance pH like a pro for thriving plants. 3. Nutrient nuisances. Fine-tune nutrients for optimal growth. 4. Lighting dilemmas. Adjust lighting for the perfect glow. 5. Temperature troubles. Regulate temperature for plant comfort. 6. Pest predicaments. Defend your garden from unwanted guests. 7. Root rot riddles. Keep roots healthy and fungus-free. 8. Clogged circulation. Clear the way for smooth flow. 9. Algae invasion. Prevent and remove algae growth. 10. Equipment glitches. Troubleshoot and repair like a pro. There you have it, hydroponic problem solvers. Short and snappy troubleshooting tips to conquer maintenance issues. Happy problem solving, and may your hydroponic adventures be filled with green triumph.